Hello, today I will show you one of our newest skincare machine. This is a Hydra dermabrasion cleaning machine. This is for skincare and for deep cleaning and other functions. So I will show you what is all on this. First, you can see in the front side there is 3 bottles, A, B, and C. The A bottle, it will hold some liquid for the cleaning, and the B bottle you can put some liquid for the whitening and the moisturizing, and the C bottle, this bottle is for cleaning machine. So you can remember this when you want to clean the pipe inside the machine. You could put some liquid here, and I will show you how to clean later after we introduce. And now there is 3 buttons here. The first one is for the water flow control, and the second one is for the bottles selecting. You can put this to select which one you will use. And the third one is this one is for the vacuum control, for air pump for vacuum. And on the back side here there is 2 bottles. You can see on the right one, if you can see, there is hydrogen and oxygen words on that. It means this bottle is very special for the machine, because inside there is a special device. When you just put some purified water inside, then it will produce the oxygen and hydrogen. So on the left, this is the wasted liquid holder. So you could just notice. And another side here, this is for the power supply, and beside there is a switch for open the machine. To start the machine, you can just press it. The machine will be open, and I will open this right now. Okay. Now the machine has been started. You could see here in the details. And then I will show you what is the 6 handles. The first one, this one is the hydrodermabrasion tab for cleaning, and whitening is okay. And the second one, this is the cover. This is the ultrasonic hub for the essence more deeply penetrate. The third one is the skin scrubber for this dead skin and blackhead, which is very powerful and easy operation. This one, we call this Y bar because it's just like the word Y, and this is the bipolar RF radio frequency. It is for face lifting and tightening. This one, and this is the cold hammer, and it's used to when you do some heat treatments after the lasers or other heat treatment, you can use it to calm down your skin. It is very comfortable when you use it. Okay, and the last one, it is a polymer atomizing pen. There is a high pressure. When you put some essence here for whitening or moisturizing or other essence, you could put it here and use this pen to help you to penetrate more deeply into your skin. Okay, and next I will show you how to use the interface and combine with this handle. Okay, now I will show you how to use the interface with the handles. First, when you open the machine, there will be the first interface. You can just press the English to choose the language, and then you could there is the last one, the interface, and I will show you. There is 6 handles control interface. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the first one this is the scrubber. The scrubber is this one. You could see that. This is, you can put the cover off, and here you can see there is mode. You could choose right here. This one, the first one, it means the continuous working, and this is paused working mode. So you could see what the difference. This is starting, and you must be sure your 2 fingers will touch these 2 sides together like this, and there is nothing happen because there is no energy. You can increase some energy like this. Could you hear that? There is some vibration. You can just like this. And this one is the paused. Could you hear? There is some duration when you choose this one, and the last other 2 is same when you choose the mode. Okay. And the second one I will show you. This one is ultrasound. Ultrasound is this one. This is ultrasound. It's same energy mode chosen, and this one has the start button on the handle. You can just press this one. It will be open. Okay. And this one is the white bar. It is bipolar RF, same energy mode, and the same button to control the open or turn off. It is very easy and convenient for you. Okay. And this 3, there's no energy in the mode to adjust, so there it's just these 3 buttons. You can just press, then it will start. I will show you what are these 3. And the first one is the polymer atomizing pressure. You can see, if you can see, there is some nails here. You see that? It's very powerful. Just turn off. And so, this is the cold hammer, also button on handle. It will be very cold step by step, and you can feel that when you are using it. This last one is the dermabrasion hat. It's this one for cleaning. There are several hats for different sizes. We will provide it to you, so you can change it for different area. Okay. And the others is here. You can see here's time. When each mode open, the time will be count, and you could set it like, oh sorry, turn off first, and you could see when you want to use this one, like you should just the time first. It's minutes. The maximum is the 60 minutes, like 1 hour. Okay. And this one, the hydrogen and oxygen button, it will control whether you will use the hydrogen and oxygen photo. When you press it on, it will produce the hydrogen and oxygen when you use the dermabrasion handle to cleaning or do some whitening and moisturizing. Okay, so that's all. That is the interface. So next, I will show you how to do the treatment by this machine. Okay, now we will do the treatment. And before the treatment, you must be sure that the face must be clean. It means there's no cosmetics and some dirt. So you clean the face, it will be okay. And also, when you do the treatment, you must, there is the first step. You should use some hot water, not hot water, just warm water. And you must use the towel to make the, to compress the skin to make the pores are open. So then you use this machine to do treatment, it will have a much better result. So we have done this already, so I will show you this treatment directly. And first, we will use this cleaning. It is hydrodermabrasion cleaning hub. We will start like this, just from here. Now it has started. Before you put it on the face, you can feel that the vacuum in the water. You can see the water has circulation in the pipe. You can see that and feel that. You feel the vacuum, that whether it will be suitable for the skin and the water flow. You can just adjust that for these two buttons. So this is very good. So I will start my treatment. Okay, when you do the treatment, we will start from the cheek. And there is two ways when you use this hub, like this. A little bit strong, so I will lower vacuum. Okay, and the second way is to push it in a short distance, like this. Okay. Okay, that is two ways to use this. And another point you should notice is for the whole face, for different treatment area, there should be different directions. Like the cheek, you should from the lower to the upper. So when you do the cleaning, there is also some results for the face lifting, like this direction. And when you do the forehead, you should from inner to the outside, just like this. Just like this, okay? And when you do the mouth, also inner to the outside, like this. Also here, inner to the outside. And for the nose, you should from upper to lower. Just be light, because this area is a little bit sensitive. Like this. You could notice that when you do the T-point, key area, you should change into a smaller tip. So I just show you how the directions now. Like this, we will provide several tips. It is a little bit smaller. It is for smaller area treatment. Okay. So that's the ways. So I will do the treatment now. Okay, that's all. Just turn it off. After this, we will put some essence on the skin and use it to penetrate and do some other functions like these 4-6 handles I will show you. Next I will show you how to use this polymer atomizing pen. It has high pressure, and we have already put some essence inside this bottle, this small bottle. You can also start by this button. Now it has already started, but you should notice is that the position. You must shoot like this. This bottle must be downward. Okay, must be downward. So the essence will be go out from here and from here. Okay, this is very important. Just don't like this or just like this. So the essence will be not go out. So when you do treatment, be sure the position and start. You could feel the pressure. So you just put this on the face. We have this. It is very powerful to help you to penetrate the essence. And it is very comfortable. If it is hard to keep this position, just let the customer upper his back, and it will be more easy. This one is the second hand to help you to penetrate your essence into the skin. It is the ultrasonic. Just like now it has open, but you should increase some energy. I will do this. If you could hear, there is some sound. Okay. We could just like this. So the essence will be absorbed very well. Okay, and Later I will show you this. I will show you how it works, okay? You just put some water on. Sorry. And then start. Do you see that? The water has been into very, very small cell. Then this will be very easy to go into your skin. It's very amazing. Okay. Okay, that's all. And then this one. This is the skin scrubber. Okay. This is the also part of, and it is the vibration to remove some dead skin and the blackhead. And you should notice is that when you do treatment, you must use your 2 fingers to press this area together. It is very important, but you don't use this. It is not let the electric go through, so just use your hand, your skin to touch. Okay. Then I open it. Okay. Increase some energy, and then you just press. Sorry. Okay. You just use your 2 fingers to press. Could you hear that? It means it has start to vibration. So you can use this to clean your skin, to do a deep cleaning, like some dead skin or the blackhead, just like this. Especially the nose. You can use some powerful like this, okay. And the next will be the white bar. It is the bipolar RF for skin lifting and the rejuvenation. And before you do the treatment, please be sure you have applied some radio frequency massage oil or the cooling gel on the face. Then use this one to do the treatment. You can press this to open and increase some energy on the interface. So now I will show you how to do the treatment. You just from the lower to the upper to make the face lifting. And please be sure this 2 point and this 2 ball will touch this skin completely and together. Then there will be some microcurrent through them. There will be some without. You go without. It could be faster. Okay, that's for the cheek. Okay, after I do this, you will see the very immediate result. Okay, after this step, we will do the last treatment. We will use the cold hammer. This is to calm down your skin and also to shrink the points. So it is very necessary and it will be very good. Also, if it is okay, it should be better when you can put some mask. Put a mask after you do this treatment, and after that, do this to shrink your points. It will be better. And how to open it? Right here. It has already started to cooling. You could hear the wind, the fans inside. It must has started working. So this will be colder and colder. You could feel that, and then just put it on the skin to calm down your treatment skin, because the last step we use the RF energy to make the facelifting. Also, when you do some other treatments like the lasers or IPL or other heat treatments, you can also use this one to calm down your skin. It will be very comfortable and very good for your skin. It will be come down much sooner. Okay, so that will be the treatment. The treatment will be done, and you should just let customer to clean her face. The treatment will be okay, but for the machine, there is the last step. I will show you how to clean the machine. Of course, for this one will be last. I will show you others. Others handles after you're using it, just make it clean to like some papers to remove the essence or the oil or the gels to make the head be clean. So it will be good for to do good maintenance for this machine. Also for this one is important because there is a pipe inside, and also the head you will touch the skin for different customers. So after you done the treatment, you have to clean this pipe and this head. So I will show you how to clean. That will use the bottle. The C bottle I show you in the first of this video. In the first of the video, I showed you the C bottle. Now I will show you how to use the C bottle. There is some water or other liquid for cleaning. Then when you want to clean the machine, you need to first step, you need to change this bottle to C. Okay. C. And now, just like you do treatment, just start this one. This is the dermabrasion, right? Just start it and make the vacuum to be maximum. Also water flow to be a little bit higher. Then just do this. Keep this step to make the liquid through circulation. For like 7 or 8 times. It's like this for a few seconds, like 30 seconds, for 7 or 8 times. It will automatically to clean this pipe inside the machine. to avoid the pipe dirty. Just like this. Okay. Okay, I will just show you like this. Okay. So that's all. And put it down. And this switch. So okay, this treatment and all these we have done it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.